Hi guys, welcome to the last part of the random number guessing. So in the previous part we had almost completed the program, but we had not added the loop. So what we were doing is basically we could enter only once the number, and then we couldn't enter multiple times. So in this we have to make it as like we have to enter it multiple times. So we're adding a loop here. Simple. In the previous part, in the previous question we are taking that and adding a loop here. That's it. Okay. So we're already seen this code in the previous program. So the first function is the get random number. It generates a random number between 0 to 100. I mean 1 to 100, sorry. After that, we have the function called give hint. So it basically identifies if the number, whatever the user has entered, if it is plus or minus in the range of plus or minus 10 to the original number which is computer generated. If it is yes, then it gives hot, or else it gives cold. If the number is exact, it gives right. After that, we have the function void guess. So in this, basically the first variable is a secret number, which is the computer random number, which is this function. After that, we have the int user guess, so that the user, whatever the user has guessed. Now here we have to use this loop saying while true, until the condition is true, until we are getting it to be right, we have to keep running this. So first we ask the prompt user to enter a number between 1 to 100, then the user enters it. After that, we store that in the hint, saying whatever the hint is, we call the hint function, give hint, and it checks if the hint is equal to right. Until the hint is equal to right, it keeps on running. If the hint is equal to right, then it says you guessed it right, or else it keeps on running. Again, it calls a different hint. So again, like I said, it is the initializing the random seed, and then once for the first time, then it is initialized. After that, we are running the guess function. So now let me run the program. I hope you have understood the program. All right. So now it is asking me to enter a number between 1 to 100. So I'll enter 65. It is cold. So that means the number whatever I have entered, what the system has given is not between 55 and 75. So now let me try 45. Cold again. So it's not between 35 and 55. Not, let me give 25. Cold. So I think it is more than 75. 85. Okay, so yeah. First hot is, I identify the first hot at 85. So that means the number is between 75 and 95. So let me now figure out where the number is exactly. Now let me give 90. It is also hot. So that says number is between 95 and 85. So now let me give 93. It says again hot. So number is somewhere here close by. 96 is again hot. Okay. So now let me enter 91 or 92. Okay. This is interesting. Let me give in 88, 87 range. 89, 87. Yeah. So I guessed it right. The number was 87. So basically you have to follow this hot and cold, and then you have to finally end up with that number. So let me submit the program. I hope you guys have understood the solution. If you have any doubts, then let me in the comments below. And if you want to practice more such problems or get yourself ready for interviews, then head to the CodeChef platform. You can also go pro on CodeChef. So you can try all this program on the CodeChef platform. So head to the CodeChef platform right now and give this a try. And thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video.